My family's secret to keeping the bathroom smelling for 24 hours. I'm sure you'll thank me for this tip. To start today's tip, in a container, I will add 100 milliliters of Coca-Cola. Next, I will also use fabric softener, being item that will bring the smell that your bathroom or any other place that will use this mixture. The optimal amount for use is 200 milliliters now. We must mix well until it has the desired consistency. You will already notice that the consistency of these two ingredients together is totally different from any product sold in the markets. The third item for use in this mixture is baking soda. Only 1 tablespoon is needed. This is the main item for the removal of stains and fats, acting directly with the effect of Coca-Cola. Now we must mix very well until completely diluted. And only these 3 ingredients will bring the cleaning you need. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Marian Louise from Singapore. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. To facilitate the application, I will put all this mixture in a bottle. I'm using a capacity of 500 milliliters and also a hole in the lid to make it easier to apply and reach more difficult places. I am also using a funnel to facilitate the passage of liquid to the bottle. You have used Coke for cleaning in your home. This tip is the main item, and it will bring the differential for a great result. This mixture works perfectly for cleaning, especially your bathroom, being able to use in all items, and not only in the toilet, being possible to use in the sinks, bath area, and even to the floor. This amount is enough for more than a heavy cleaning in your bathroom. And for demonstration in the video, I will apply directly to the toilet. Just a small amount is enough for use. Applying to the toilet and rubbing with a brush, I can remove any stain and yellowish. Tell me if you know any tips using Coke as a main item. I would love to know too. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.